ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yong. I'm a student of English major in the faculties of Humanities and Social Sciences at Panakhon Ratchapat University. Today, I will talk about pronouncing F sound and V sound. F and V are pronounced with the same mouth position of the top teeth, biting the bottom lip, but with F pronounced with more air and no use of the voice box. I have a foreigner who spoke vocabulary of V sound and F sound.
Hi, my name is Rod and I'm from Australia. Here's some words for you. Fine, vine, view, view, feel, fear, fear, fat, that, face, vase, foal, vole, thief, thieve, strife, strive, safe, save, thief, five, calf, carve, half, have, surfing, serving. I hope you'll get benefit from this video.
Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.